Hi, my name is Hunter. Today I'd like to introduce you to the Graaff generator. This is actually the highest voltage appliance we have in our phenomenon gallery. It can make up to 2.5 million volts of static electricity. We can use this to do a lot of cool things, but the coolest one is raising someone's hair. Let's take a look. To show you guys what the Graaff generator can do, we've got Miss Isla here is going to be helping us out. When I push this pedal down here at the bottom, the belt inside the Graaff generator starts moving. This belt is made of a special material that causes the electrons to basically jump off of this belt and onto the metal. Metal has what are called holes, places where electrons can hang out and start to accumulate. And as these electrons start to accumulate, Isla, who is isolated from ground, is going to begin accumulating a very strong electric charge. That high voltage potential will actually start making her hair act like a magnet. All the like charges will push against each other till her hair starts standing up. Now that her hair is standing up, we can actually exploit the properties of this machine to do some cool tricks. This wire here is called a ground wire. This negates the electric field. We can actually see the electric field strength as a function of how high her hair is standing. So if I bring this wire closer, her hair starts to fall down. If I bring it further away, it stands back up again. We can also use this to demonstrate what's called a point accumulator effect. So if I ground out my body with this wire and then point my finger at her hair, the hair reacts to my finger. The last thing that we can demonstrate with the Graaff generator is we can make an arc. We can cause a discharge of that 2.5 million volts and go straight to ground. So first we're going to charge up our second volunteer, Miss Eliana here. When Miss Eliana is fully charged, instead of staying isolated from ground, we're going to give the electricity a path to ground through my body, through the ground wire, and we're going to make it jump through the air, where it's actually going to have to ionize some gas, and it'll make a little teeny tiny bolt of lightning. Let's take a look.